Smell ko naman yan.
Are you getting some?
Oh, you're chewing mama, huh? Where's Ate Rose?
That's what he
Ate
said.
Rose!
There's a bus coming.
Where are you?
Oh my God, there's a lot.
Yeah. Nasa tuktok na.
Ano ka na ba? Ano ka na? Nagdaganan ka na ba ng persimmon?
Nakakita ko dito. Busang.
I wanna see you picking persimmon there.
My goodness, there's a lot.
Yan.
Ooh, look at that. Nice.
And you know, I'm the only one who's eating these things.
I'm eating.
We need to take this off, Mama Judy.
Huh?
This 1 pound.
Yan ang gusto kay Raymond eh, madiskarte. Alam mo ba, ikaw tsaka mama ko, pareho kayo. Negosyante. Konting bagay, tinatali. Alam mo, pareho kayo ng mama ko eh. Anak kaya ito ng mama ko. Ate Rose, Ate Rose! Halika, di ka pa nabibideo. Oh, say hi kasi lalagay to sa YouTube. YouTube pala.
Gusto ko nakaakyat ako.
Bilis mo naman umakyat.
My picking.
Uy, Ate Pinky, halika! Ate Pinky, where are you? Oh, sige, dyan kasi. Ate Pinky, ilalagay to sa YouTube.
I like this.
Wow.
What I got.
Look at Ate Pinky, guys. She got a lot. Good.
I have to wait.
Ate Pinky, pag nasa YouTube to, invite mo sila manood ng YouTube, ah.
Oh, fuck.
There's a lot of ants, babe. I'm telling you.
Kaya nga, kinakanta ko. Shit.
Go down, go down, go down.
It's okay.
That's part of life.
That's life.
This is so nice. I like this better than the apple.
Hmm?
Ouch.
See, I'm telling you.
A lot of fucking ants.
Look at your shirt, Abercrombie. Why you didn't